This is Adnan Ibn Hakim. I'm from Bangladesh, UNICEF. And today now I'm going to share my poster, which is topics is safely managed on-site sanitation status in Bangladesh. And thanks to everyone to listening me. Then I would like to introduce about this study and why this study taking place. So the biggest gap and the global data gap in nationally and globally is monitoring of the progress was of safely managed on-site sanitation systems. And in Bangladesh, management of the on-site sanitation system represent a massive environmental hazard. And if you see in Bangladesh right now, 91% of the on-site sanitation user exist. The objective of this study is to explore the status of the different stages in safely managed on-site sanitation systems across the country. And the overall method for this study, we selected the mixed method. This covered the nationally representative cross-sectional household survey, focus group discussion with frontline individuals, groups, departments, and the key informants interviews with the related policy and the decision makers in Bangladesh. For the quantitative part, we took the 3,425 household from the 28 rural clusters and 25 city corporation in residents and the 24 city corporation, including the low income clusters using random cluster sampling techniques. Cluster size was 25 household and the data collection techniques were interviews and the spot checks. And for the qualitative sampling, we did overall 11 focus group discussions with the individual groups, municipality frontline workers, private NGO frontline workers, and the 10 key informants were interviewed from government departments, development partners, and the NGOs. The overall method for this study was considered significant higher proportion of the urban sample than the rural, and we represented urban and the rural weighted national data. And proportions and the means are presented by the national, rural, urban, city corporation residential area, city corporation low income community, medium, and the small towns. And after that study, together with the Bangladesh governments and other stakeholders and guided by the Joint Monitoring Program team, so the results we found, like the 50% survey household was improved latrine facilities, where 55% in the rural and 47% in urban. 19% households emptied fecal sludge river. Most of them, 15% actually emptied manually. You can see the significant difference about the containment to the emptying. And only 3.9% household were mechanically emptying, and the all mechanical emptying in Bangladesh exists in the urban settings. And the safe disposal of emptied sludge was apparently considered to be 10%, including burial of sludge into the pits and disposal of the disposal sites. And if you look at the figure 1, you will get the more details about the different settings. Also, we found in urban areas, significantly higher number of households had access to improved latrines in small towns and medium towns. The worst case scenarios with the low income communities of large cities having only 8% safely managed latrine coverage, which is really a big concern for the largest city and the city corporation in Bangladesh. And in figure 2, there is the different proportions and overall safely managed sanitation status is projected and calculated. Among households with the safe latrine facilities, 44% household requires emptied, but only 38% empty. Household of the latrine with the containment, 42.5% required empty, but only 33% emptied. And if you look at the figure 3, you will get the uh, status of requirement to empty the pit, but how the people have let them overflow in the environment and other part. In the conclusion, if we make the conclusion, through half of the population had access to the safe improved latrine facilities, practices of safely emptying, transportation, use of the mechanical systems, and disposal of the fecal contained of designated sites are really minimum. And the recommendation, we have to focus if we want to meet the SDG target, the beside improve sanitation coverage, now this is the time. The improve safe on-site sanitation service chains and the systematic monitoring system have to be improved by the government agencies as well as the development partners. There are some sample pictures, and there is a lot that you can see how the sludges and the fecal is flowing from the latrine, what is the emptying and the pit situations, and some commonly used pan and the latrine conditions in Bangladesh. And thanks everyone to listening me and for with me. Thank you.